Hi all, welcome to Learn with Techies. I am a fellow AI enthusiast and a software developer in a FANG company. Today we are going to do something really interesting. We are going to create our own AI avatar using some of the awesome AI tools. This is the sneak peek of what we are going to build.
Hello all, welcome to Learn with Techies.
With the tools that I'm going to talk about today, you can say goodbye to boring cookie cutter avatars and hello to personalized, jaw dropping creations that will make your friend and your followers go, wow, how did you get that avatar, you digital rockstar? Oh, did I mention how mind blowingly easy and completely free it is? Seriously, even your grandma can do it. Well, not my grandma, because she's still trying to figure out how to send a text message. But you get the point. With just two AI tools, we will have your talking avatar in just 5 minutes. And before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because trust me, you won't want to miss a second of this awesome AI fueled avatar videos. For this, we are going to use two tools, that is 11 Labs and DID. So let's go. So first we will be starting with 11 Labs. I will be posting the link in video description below. So you have to go into the speech synthesis and here you can set whatever voice you want. And here you can first go ahead and add whatever script you want. I have added my script here. Then you can go ahead and choose the settings like what kind of voice you want. You can go ahead and demo through each of those.
If you do what you've always done,
You cannot find yourself.
So this is one option. You can go ahead and change the voice setting like whether you want it more stable, what clarity you want. One other thing you can do, you can go ahead and add a voice. So since this is a free version that I'm using, there are some set of options that are only accessible to me. So here you can go ahead and design your own voice. Suppose I want a female, old, and with an accent as in British. Let's see what it is creating.
First we thought the PC was a calculator. Then we found out how to turn numbers into letters, and we thought it was a typewriter.
See, you can generate different voice and use that. But for me, I'll be using the pre-existing voice only. So this is the one that I have, the script that I have added, and I want to go with the pre-existing voice. So here I can go ahead and generate.
Welcome to Learn with Techies. I am your host, a fellow AI enthusiast, and a software developer working in a FANG company. Please like and subscribe my channel if you want to be on the top of AI innovations happening now. Also, please comment on my videos which topics would you like me to cover next. Thanks.
So here you can hear the voice. It's pretty awesome. So if I go into my history, I can see this is already created. I can go ahead and download this. So now it's downloaded. So the first phase we are already done with. It was so easy. And let's go ahead and try to create our own avatar. So for creating an avatar, you have to go to this link did.com. I'll be posting this link also in video description below. So here you can go ahead and create your own customized avatar. You have to log in. Since I've already logged in, so I'm currently on the create video page. So here once you go on to this create video, there are two options what you can do. Either you can use some of the pre-existing one. They also have some things like AI presenters also here. Here if you click on create, you can go ahead and create different kind of presenter if you want. You can also go ahead and add your own image if you want yourself to be as a presenter. This is the image that I want to use. And in the audio, I'll be using the audio that I just generated. You can also go ahead and add a script here and generate a voice here also. But here I don't have that customization. Like if you want, you can customize your own voice or something like that. That's why I went ahead and created my customization on 11 Labs using the ID just to create a digital avatar. So I'll go ahead and create the audio by uploading my piece.
Hello all, welcome to Learn with Techies.
So once done, you have to just click on this generate. It will show you a preview. So like you can see here, I have 20 credits left and I am using 2. Now I have to wait for it to be generated. So here it has already generated it. Let's look at it.
Hello all, welcome to Learn with Techies. I am your host, a fellow AI enthusiast, and a software developer working in a FANG company. Please like and subscribe my channel if you want to be on the top of AI innovations happening now. Also, please comment on my videos which topics would you like me to cover next.
So this was pretty awesome. In just 5 minutes, we were able to create our own talking avatar with just using two AI tools and that also for free. You can go ahead and play with different voices and different images if you want. And also do post in the comment below how are you going to use these tools. That's it for today. Thank you for joining in and I'll see you in next video of What's New in Tech.